Crestwood Associates is very excited to share our latest product enhancement for Acumatica, auto kitting. Let's take a quick peek. I have a stock item set up as a kit. Looking at the kit specifications, this includes 3 stock items: the elliptical, a heart rate monitor, and the sports bottle. Note this new checkbox, Allow Auto Kit Assembly. Let's see what this option does. I have a sales order that includes a regular stock item and my elliptical kit. As usual, the bottom of my screen tells me what is available. When I select my kit, I see there are none available, but based on the kit components that are in stock, the system tells me how many kits I can assemble. Since I have the items available to make my kit, I can fulfill this order, starting with creating a shipment. In the background, the stock kit is being auto-assembled before creating the shipment document. Note as I select my kit, I now see there is one available. If I print out a pick list, the components of the kit are exposed so I can pick my kit on the fly, then continue fulfilling this order as normal. One final note: if you are familiar with Acumatica's standard kitting, then you know that a non-stock kit allows you to pick kits on the fly as well. Unfortunately, non-stock kits only allow standard costing, whereas a stock kit allows for all available inventory valuation methods, including average, FIFO, and specific. As you can see, Crestwood's auto kitting for Acumatica simplifies the kitting process by providing visibility into the number of kits that can be assembled, saves time by auto-assembling kits at shipment creation, improves fulfillment by expanding the kit components on the pick ticket, and enhancing financial control, allowing all supported inventory cost valuation methods.